Excuse me, sir.
हाँ
How much money do you make in 1 year?
तू यार गाड़ी में बैठ.
Let's go inside. So looks like we've caught you at a wrong time.
Well, you're with me in the car, so if it was the wrong time, you wouldn't be here.
All right, okay. So how old were you when you became a crorepati?
You're a Bob. The first time I was 25.
20. You became a crorepati at 25.
The first time, yeah, but then I lost it all. But yeah, the first time it happened.
Okay, and for the audience, could you tell us who are we here with?
You are here with the OG Anupam Mittal, Shark, and founder of People Group.
So I wanted to interview you regarding some advices for the younger generation. As you can see that we're sitting in a Maybach. What does one have to do in India to, buy a car like this?
Make a lot of money.
What's the most amount of money that you've made in a single year?
Oh God. I would say the most in 1 year would be 50 crores.
What did money mean to you while growing up?
I think it meant a way of succeeding.
And what was your first, you'd say, hustle or your job?
तो मैंने शुरू में when I was a teenager I started a book library at home. तो वो चली नहीं. I was very restless. फिर मैंने एक sports club शुरू किया. वो थोड़ा चला. Then I started some export business when I was like 18 or 19. उसमें भी loss खा गए. So I tried many different hustles but nothing worked.
In the 90s, that's when Shaadi.com started, right? How did that idea come then?
See, I was very fascinated with the internet. तो मेरे को एक पंडित जी मिल गए. वो बोल रहे थे कि भाई तुम्हारी शादी करानी है. तो मैंने कहा भाई तुम कितने लोगों को जानते हो? उसने कहा 100-150 लोगों को. तो मैंने कहा भाई मेरे को करोड़ों में एक चाहिए. तो उससे मेरे को आइडिया लगा कि इसको अगर हम इंटरनेट पे डालेंगे तो कोई किसी को कहीं भी ढूंढ सकता है.
But was it tough convincing Indians to, get married online, find their love online in that time especially?
टाइम लगा. It was not an instant hit. काफी साल लगे for it to become a thing.
And how much money did you have to invest personally in Shaadi.com?
शुरू में तो कुछ लाख रुपए डाले थे.
हो गया.
Shaadi.com में हमने $12-13 million and all its life raise किए. आजकल तो 12-13 million seed round में होता है.
Right.
Companies raise hundreds of millions of dollars. So I think we've done well, built a great company with only $12 million.
And when did you realize Shaadi.com became a money-making business?
In 2005, people started buying subscriptions. We were making more money than we were putting in. पैसे प्रॉफिट बन रहा था करोड़ों रुपए का साल का.
Right.
वो टाइम समझ में आ गया भाई ये तो रियल है.
And looking back, what do you think was your smartest investment decision?
Our luckiest decision was to buy the domain shaadi.com. हमने जब शुरू किया था we started with something called sagai.com.
Oh, okay.
लेकिन वो यार इतना लैंड नहीं करता है, कनेक्ट नहीं करता. shaadi.com एक बार आप सुनते हो you cannot forget it.
I'd agree. That's a great name.
Yeah, it feels generic for the category. In fact, इसकी भी एक स्टोरी है. जब हमने खरीदा डोमेन हमारे पास कुछ पैसे नहीं थे. हमारे पास सिर्फ $25,000 थे. इतने ही हमने कमा के रखे थे और वो डोमेन वाले ने $25,000 मांगा and he was not willing to negotiate. तो सारे का सारा पैसा देना पड़ा उसको. But in hindsight, it was one of the best decisions.
That's nice. If you were to start Shaadi.com today, what are the sacrifices that you have to make to build something like Shaadi.com?
Was to build any brand or any business that is known across a country, particularly a populous country like India. It's a lot of work, right? It's like extracting a tooth every day of your life. It takes a toll on your health also. So you have to be hardcore. You have to go all in. You have to believe that you're building epic stuff.
Was there ever a point of time in your life while running Shaadi.com that you got broke?
Yes, there was. In 2008 after Lehman Brothers happened. और उस टाइम हमने काफ़ी expand कर लिया था क्योंकि हमारी एक equity round हो रही थी $100 million की. That would have been the biggest round. Sign तो हो गया था लेकिन वो पैसे कभी आए नहीं because Lehman Brothers happened. So the private equity guy reneged on the deal. But हमने सब preparation कर लिए थे. तो हमारे खर्चे बहुत बढ़ गए थे. We had gone into 2-3 other businesses.
Right.
तो overnight हमको realize हुआ कि we will not make it with this spread. So we had to cut to the bone and get rid of all the fat and even muscle to a large degree. And I was back in debt.
So, sir, how do you decide your salaries for yourself and for your team and the company?
Whatever I say is the final word. नहीं यार ऐसे नहीं होता. एक बार कंपनी बन जाती है, there are committees होती हैं.
Right.
तो my comp I never decide, the board decides. I never debate, I never argue. जो वो बोलते हैं, I'm happy. क्योंकि I'm not doing it for comp ना, I'm doing it to build something very valuable. और मेरा पैसा तो मेरी शेयर होल्डिंग से बनेगा.
Right.
तो कॉम्प आप मेरे को क्या ही कॉम्प लेता हूँ मैं. I take 1/5 of my market comp. मेरा कॉम्प 7 साल में बड़ा नहीं है.
Okay.
As far as my team is concerned, we have a committee of 3 people. We do external benchmarking. We figure out the aspirations of the person. We figure out whether the aspiration is aligned with their comp and their responsibility. If not, we try to find an alignment.
What would you say is your best personal money habit?
Wow, my best personal money habit. I get this from my dad, I think. मेरे को inherently चीज़ों की value का एक idea है. कोई चीज़ की क्या value होनी चाहिए. Like I don't have a problem of spending, like this car, for example, costs several crores, right? But I know that the value is commensurate with what I paid for it. But I would not pay even 1,000 rupees for something if the value didn't seem commensurate with the money I'm paying. And I have an inherent idea of these things. I think that's one good money habit. And the second one is actually a bad money habit. But in a way it's good. It's worked for me. मेरे को accounts रखना से बहुत नफरत है.
अच्छा.
मेरे को हिसाब रखना नहीं आता है. But it's worked for me because it has always driven me to make more money. क्योंकि अगर इतना ज़्यादा हो कि आपको हिसाब रखने की ज़रूरत ही ना पड़े.
ये भी बात सही है सर. That's a great thing. So if you were to invest 1 crore rupees right now, what are the categories or what are the places that you'd like to invest?
अभी तो भाई सोना ही सोना चल रहा है. If I was young and I had 1 crore investable money, I would invest it in the Indian stock market and let it compound over 30 years.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I would not invest it in specific stocks. I would buy the index.
Right. What is that one mistake that you'd say that young entrepreneurs or young founders make the most?
I think the biggest mistake that I see is people generally think that if they make a slightly better product or if they do slightly better marketing, they can win existing. वैसे होता नहीं है. You really need to have a deep insight that nobody else has to be able to become successful in a industry. Customers don't necessarily care about a slightly better product, right?
That's true.
They care about assurance, safety, and low decision overload, right? अगर उनको कोई brand, toothbrush का brand आपने कब change किया था? कभी नहीं. There are hundreds of guys marketing themselves as better toothpaste. So that's the biggest mistake people make.
What is that one piece of advice that you'd like to give to young entrepreneurs?
अगर entrepreneurship करना है तो go all in. Health, relationships, work, कहीं ना कहीं सबकी लगेगी. देखो जिंदगी वैसे ही संघर्ष है. Entrepreneurship करोगे तो संघर्ष डबल हो जाएगा, ट्रिपल हो जाएगा. There is a lot that it can give you because entrepreneurship is like a microcosm of life.
Right.
जब आप entrepreneurship करते हो आप दुनिया और life समझते हो. So it's very rewarding in the long term, but very painful in the short term. So if your pain threshold is not very high, don't do entrepreneurship.
That's some amazing advice. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
One last thing, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
How young am I?
How young are you?
अभी तो मैं reverse aging कर रहा हूँ. So according to my biological clock, I'm 38.
That's amazing. What do you do to keep yourself so fit and healthy?
I do yoga. I do martial arts. I do strength training 3 times a year. 3 times a year, नहीं 3 times a week.
Yeah.
I swim twice a week. So a lot of it. But yeah, I keep pushing myself quite a bit. तो इसीलिए every 2 years I end up in the hospital और इंजरी हो जाती है. फिर 2-3 महीना रिकवरी में लगता है, 6 महीना. फिर शुरू करते हैं, फिर उसके आगे पहुंचते हैं, फिर लग जाती है. तो part of life.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for your time.
Brother, thank you.